Hi guys, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers? But I feel this will because I am also a Leo. Okay, so yeah. So let's check it out what's going on with you guys. Okay. This is the reading for the Leo for the month of May 2020. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay. One more important thing, guys. If you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the donation link is given in the description box below. Help me via PayPal or via Google Pay or PayPal. Okay. The second most important thing is, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book a 10 days online tarot learning workshop via Google, via Gmail, Zoom, WhatsApp video call or Skype video call, you can. The details are given for the enrollment in the description box below. The last most important thing, guys, is that we are giving Vasol giveaways for the month of May, and the winners will be announced in the month of June. So for that, you have to like my channel, you have to support my channel, you have to subscribe to my channel, you have to leave a comment, hashtag Vasol giveaway, and you have to share me a screenshot via Gmail. So the winner will be announced in the first week of June. Okay, so yes, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, also one more important thing, guys. If you want to help me with the reading, if you want to connect with me on daily basis, I am sharing all the daily quickies on my Facebook page, Vasol Tarot Prediction. Kindly follow my page on my Facebook channel. I come live between 2 to 3 p.m. on daily basis on Facebook. So to share your general energies, daily energies, okay, for all the zodiacs on daily basis. So yes. This is for the between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Okay, and kindly like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and share my channel. Okay, and ask people share my channel further to subscribe for more people. Okay, I'll be grateful to you guys. Okay, and kindly leave me a comment below. Okay, what kind of videos you want me to upload regarding the zodiacs. Okay, so yes. Okay, let's check out your past, the present, and the future. Leos, let me check out. I feel mostly nowadays I'm doing a love reading. I don't know why, but those energies are coming out. Wow. Okay. So you have got 5 of Wands, 2 of Swords, and Page of Swords. I hope this is visible for you guys. Okay, so in the past, a lot of problems, disappointments with the relationship happened. Okay, in the past, you guys were a lot in the love zone, like, you know, I feel a lot of love energies were there between you. Okay, but yeah, either you walk away or that person walked away from you. Okay, so lot of pain you were handling with the past, and this partnership created a lot of pain for you guys. Okay, but still you guys have a feeling. Okay, in the present situation, I feel that there is some sort of decision which is upcoming in your life. Okay, and right now I feel that you are in a self denial mode. Currently you are going through some internal healing, Leos. You are going through some internal healing, because I feel that, let me take out all. Okay, yeah, so you are going with lot of more internal healing, internal transformation. I feel that there is a tarot moment happened with you, like you moved away from a person because the situation was toxic, negative situation was there, and that's why you know, that person, the other person turned their back on you. Okay, so and right now your current position is that you are no more interested in a partnership. You are just healing yourself, you are just thinking about settling yourself, making yourself stable when it comes to money related thing, when it comes to taking care, nurturing yourself, taking care of yourself. Okay, you currently you are in a very self denial mode of your relationship or a marriage. Okay, who's whatever it is. So I feel that a lot of self denial mode is going on. You guys are thinking like, no, I don't want to think about that. I can take care of myself. I'm stable mentally, physically, and financially. Okay, so you are working on yourself. You are no more thinking about this marriage or a relationship. Okay, so yes. I feel you're hiding your emotions. A lot of emotions which you don't want to accept that you are still in love with that person currently or not. But you are hiding your emotions a lot, I feel. And yes, you are in a thought process that you want to move forward into your life mentally, okay? And financially also. And yeah, a lot of clarity and communication is there, a lot of internal healing or internal transformation is taking place. This person needs to decide. I feel currently you are in a situation where you know, you need to decide about something. Okay, whether you want this connection, whether you want this person into your life or not. So a lot of decision is coming. Completion of a bad cycle or a bad situation, completion of something is coming for you guys. Okay, the sun card, you left that person because there was a lot of hidden truths, hidden secrets were there, and lot of disappointments were there into your life. Okay, and you want justice with the connection. Okay, so yes, yeah, you are highly intuitive, you trusted your intuition. I feel that you are getting highly intuitive nowadays. Okay, lot of you're trusting your intuition deeply. Okay, so yes, I feel your partner or your counterpart really needs to decide on something, what really makes them happy. Okay, there is a two choices given onto your counterpart, and they have to decide to choose one. Okay, they're still in love, but they are turning their back when it comes to allowing their feelings and accepting their feelings. Okay, for you guys. Okay, but I feel that either you or the other person will take a major decision which will change the life completely. Okay, so a major transformation is taking place for you guys. This is a very toughest decision of your life. Okay, so yeah, a major decision is going to take place for you guys. Okay, it is coming, and in the immediate future, let's check it out. This is your current feeling. Okay, a major decision is coming. Two of cups, reconciliation, reunion is coming onto your way, and that decision might be that that person comes towards you. Okay, because there is two of cups, so might be chances of a reconciliation or a reunion, because there is a spiritual awakening taking place, because that is a spiritual connection. You might be dealing with a Libra with the card of the Chariot, but this also represents a victory in the moment. You, that person might be moving towards you. Okay, so yes, but you will be standing into your own power. Okay, you are no more thinking about anything. You are coming out of, wow, I've got two of cups two times. Wow, that's great. So yeah, a reconciliation or a reunion might be taking place, a sort of decision you need to make. Okay, there might be the other person is coming towards you, and they are deciding their decision, and there might be another decision which needs to be taken on your side. Okay, so yes, this decision will be taking place for you guys. There is an offer of new cup of love is coming into your life. Okay, stability, financial stability, personal stability, a lot of stability is coming when it comes to your personal and professional life. Okay, I feel you will be moving forward when it comes to removing all the obstacles which is coming into your way, a lot of release of a lot of energy, burdens, disputes. Okay, so yes guys, I feel in the upcoming weeks, I feel that either you have to balance things or the other person will balance things and come towards you and will make it right. Some sort of that person is coming towards you and they want to make things right between you and your counterpart. Okay, so some sort of the other person is coming on towards you to make things right. Okay, but I feel that in the upcoming weeks you will be turning your back because that person turned their back in the past. Now you are no more interested into that person, and you will be like, you still have feelings but you will be denying it. You will be on a self denial mode of accepting that feelings. Okay, in the upcoming weeks, and you will be turning your back when it comes to that situation. Okay, but you are still manifesting. I don't understand that. If you don't want this connection, leave it, just let it go, but still you are manifesting this connection. Okay, in the upcoming weeks, I feel that you want to move on, but there's a lot of fear on the other part, on your counterpart. Okay, but I feel that a possible reconciliation or reunion might be taking place, which will be the spiritual connection. Okay, I feel someone will take an action, and they will come towards you. There is a solid communication will take place for sure. Solid communication is going to take place for sure. Okay, so yes. So in the month of May, in the end of May, between 29th May to 31st May, things might get turned upside down. It's like in a positive way. So that person might be coming towards you for divine feminines, and for masculines you might be going towards your counterpart to make an offer. Okay, for divine masculines. Okay, let's check it out. The Lovers card. How many Lovers card we have? 2 of Cups. Now the Lovers. Wow, this is surely a twin flame situation, guys. Okay, you guys are dealing with a twin flame situation, and the universal message is that clarity and communication is coming into your life. Okay, and that person is coming into your life for sure, releasing lot of depressed energy, sadness with this connection. Okay, standing into your own power, getting a rebirth into your life. A lot of clarification and communication is happening into your life. Lot of stability when it comes to financial matters, when it comes to your independent life. I still feel that you will be standing into your own power no matter what, Leos. You will be standing in your own power and you won't give a fuck about the other person. And I still feel that, even if you want this connection, but that connection should be in your own terms and conditions. You want your own freedom, and yeah, a lot of stability will there. Single energy, independent energy, you can take care of yourself. That is what you are feeling. But see, again, a reconciliation card, guys. The Lovers, 2 of Cups and 3 of Cups. Reconciliation, reunion, commitment, long term commitment by 6 of Cups. Wow, healing, hoping, believing. So yeah, a lot of major arcanas, releasing all the sleepless nights. Don't go through sleepless nights, guys. Don't worry, because I feel that person is coming onto your way. They'll be rushing into your life. They'll be coming in very slow pace, but for sure that a reconciliation is there, a communication is happening. But I feel that you have to stand into your own power no matter what. Even this person, comes back and makes an offer of love towards you. Stand in your own power. Be on your own terms and conditions. What is that? What is that one particular thing or few particular thing which you want into your life? Okay, so clear cut communication will be there for sure. Okay, so yeah, that's why only then wish will be fulfilled for you guys. Okay, so a clear cut communication. If you want this connection, what sort of terms and conditions you want into this life. Okay, with them. Okay, so yeah, this is a spiritual twin flame connection. Lot of major arcanas came. Good, guys. So yeah, This was the major message. Let me check just one last message. Okay. Yeah, Queen of Cups. Love is coming towards you to nurture you, to pamper you. This is a universal message for you guys. Yeah. So communication is happening, a solid reconciliation or a reunion is happening for the people who are married or the people who are into a relationship. A new offer might be coming into your life when it comes to a connection. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, a new offer might be coming into your place if you are single. A new spiritual connection might enter to your life for the people who are single. So take it however it resonates. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Okay, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasul Tarot Prediction. Thank you so much guys.